once again in the Voice of Wisdom's weekly helter-skelter polemical oration. We have had so far 4 contests. We are going to the next one, and the next one, let me introduce my students first of all. We have got Jafar Khan from level 6. We have got Mr. Zubair from level 6. Don't forget, we are in the studio of Voice of Wisdom. Correct? We are in the studio of Voice of Wisdom. One clap, I believe, their topic, democracy is better than dictatorship. Correct? And their topic will be followed by answer, question and answer session. Correct? 4 questions will be asked. Let me start. As I say 1, 2, 3, start, then you have to start. 1, 2, 3, start.
Having a glimpse on the history of Pakistan, 70 years has passed. We Pakistanis have seen dictatorship, democracy, constitution making and abrogating the constitution. But it is clear from this that dictatorship is the best, is the good for Pakistan to serve, to make Pakistan should progress. Now we Pakistanis don't want such democracy where Prime Minister implore the culprit Rao Anwar that you should surrender, it is good for us, for you. We want such a dictator. We want such a dictator who should go to the land of enemy and say, if you will attack on us, you will finish only one country, not Islam. But when we will attack, we will finish complete one religion. So we want such dictators. Now if I talk about dictatorship, now this is the dictatorship. There are 3 martial laws imposed in Pakistan. There was administrative, one is President Ziaullah. He was also dictator. Now look, such a beautiful...
Being a delegate of democracy, I would like to be proudly say that democracy is much better than dictatorship. As you said, that democracy, and here we need, in Pakistan, we need a dictatorship because such as Rao Anwar killed many people, but he's kept away from Pakistan. But according to my delegation, he was a big criminal and democracy can couch him. Dictatorship cannot do anything because in dictatorship you are under the thumb of a single person who will lead you. Whatever he will say that you have to go, you have to do it, that things. What he will be saying, you have to do it.
My dear, if we look at the history of Pakistan, they were the dictators who changed, who made the Pakistan in such way that Pakistan is progressing now. Now look at such a beautiful draft of constitution, the same dictator Ziaullah and the same dictator Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. He was also a dictator. You remember, he's civil administrator dictator. Now if we talk about our democracy, Musharraf imposed emergency in Pakistan. What is happening? That was also the democracy. Musharraf is not dictator. Now look at what's happening according to 206 article. Now all Pakistan is burning due to one person democracy. That is also democracy. My dear, if I talk about the democracy of child country, what's happening? They are killing their people very brutally.
It's not just only because of democracy, it's only dictatorship. You said that Musharraf opposed emergency over here in Pakistan. But what Musharraf did, he did many operations against the Muslims. He killed many Muslims in Pakistan. That's why Pakistan is the most destroyed country around here. And what brings Pakistan more greater and successful, that is democracy. Democracy is making you forward and successful. That's why every country, if America is successful, that's just only because of its democracy. Moral of the democracy.
Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the oration. Now who will ask the very first question? Okay, yes, miss. Give the mic.
My name is Manzila and I am the student of Voice of Wisdom. And my question is from Mr. Zubair, that if dictatorship is good for the progress of any country, so why is the public of Turkey favored democracy and stop dictatorship in their country?
My sister asked very beautiful question. My sister, forget that before, now we have a Muslim leader. We have a Muslim leader in Turkey. Before it was also democracy. Why the people of Turkey were afraid, were fighting against the same democracy? Now we have Islamic leader. we have submitted, therefore they are happy with this democracy.
Good, very nice, very nice. Next question. Who will ask the next question? Yes, that gentleman.
I want to ask question for Mr. Jafar. That's what is the relation between human rights and democracy?
You ask a very nice question that what is the relationship between the human
What is the question?
Human rights and democracy.
Yeah.
What is? Yes.
It was a nice question that what is the difference between human rights and democracy? There is a very big difference among them because in democracy here the you means your government is selected by your own opinion. All the people you join together and a big opinion is with you. You selected that prime minister or PM. If you are selected, so there is a big reason behind that. That is the relation.
Next question. Yes, gentleman. He will ask the next question.
My name is Hafid Zaman Haidar and I am from the Voice of Wisdom Academy of English Language. And my question is from Mr. Jafar Khan is that democracy has been in Pakistan for a long time. But why still in Pakistan in tight corner?
You ask a very nice question that democracy is here in Pakistan from a very long time. But I say democracy was there, is there, and inshallah it will be here. Because if we shuffle the pages of history in Pakistan, there were terrorism, war attacks, bomb blastings, kidnappings, there were many things. But if you look to the current situation of democracy in Pakistan, it's much better before the last years. Before any progress was not here, but now it's much better.
Last question. Who will ask the last question?
My sister just remembers the acts of one dictator who says that why British is capturing our neighboring countries. My sister forgot that democracy which threw aerial atomic bombs on Japan, that was a democracy which gave the same bombs with love. With they give the name to their bombs, Little Boy Fat Man. With love they give. Then think.
Correct. Very good. Amazing performance. Fantastic performance. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are getting that it's time to take a short break. Don't go anywhere. We will come right after a short break.